Hello, my beautiful people. I want to start. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this video, please, my name is Katarina Golden Baby TV. If you know you are new to my channel, please don't fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video, you will be the first to be notified. So my people, if you know say you dey new to my channel, no fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell. Anytime when I post any video, you go be the first person when they go notify. I don't come back again, no say either good or bad, I must laugh. So I don't come back again though with another gbedu. And one thing again, if you know you have already subscribed to this YouTube channel, thank you and God bless you for being the part of my family. Thank you very much. And if you know say you never subscribe and you still dey watch, thank you, God bless you for being part of watching. So today I don't want to make this video too long. I want still talk after they say we to the talk. If una no carry on a matter come media, we go talk. If una no carry on a matter, so una no carry and come media, we go chook our mouth boots. If una no carry from video and say, yeah, see then no, we go talk. We no go talk, we will suffer, they do our own, they go. But as fast as don't enter media, we go talk, okay? So today, I just come across one video. This lady, wetin make me want just talk this video. Wetin some men they do. After, I know say we women, we not still good though. Our own just still for our body. You understand? When we be woman, our own for our body remain. You understand? But men, even if you want to do that kind of thing, you dey even say, I want to get a J. I want die. If you see that, you go die. You go see die. If you see the die, you feel you now you go even the wrong. I want to die. If you see your mate outside, you cannot fight him the way you fight this woman. Your own mate, even if you no even reach your mate safe, you no go fit fight am the way you fight this woman. So they crowd, they hold you, they drag you, waiting. You they cause the woman they cause you. I say you waka come, you go just waka lost. Then say you come back, come they follow and they fight. I want to die. If you want to die, go on. There are many ways to die. As the parable they normally may say, there are many ways to kill a fish. Not be that one. I want to die. If you want to die, must it be that woman's hand? Must it be that woman's case? Let's be sincere. You are a man. Not be the way you would just take care. I want to die. If you see die, you go feel die. If you see die, you go. My people, know say me. I know they support bad. I know they support the woman. But at least men like you, they are still holding you. Men like you are holding you. You say no, you want to die. If you see die, will you die? Let's be sincere. Let's be sincere. Just this is media world. You understand? Anything you do inside your heart self, you will really say, God, let this thing be secret too. No, you do it in the center of everywhere. We call it according to our people say azagba. You do one for azagba, you don't want make people know video for media. My guy, you fuck up. You understand? So then you will beat the woman, one tear shirt for a body. What kind of man are you? What kind of man are you? If you want to do agboro, you want to do agboro. Not be woman body you for do one. Okay? Not be woman body you go for do one. If you say you agboro, you like her, you dey European country, you go buy ticket, go join them for market. Go they do the agboro. You go join them. If you read them and you go where there for the employ people, you tell them say you want me, you become Oshomole, all those agboro where they drive people come off for road. Then they go put you for there. Now say you can't go the push shirt for woman, who push shirt for woman. What that shall never end. Who push shirt for woman? If you call, okay, if man call they follow you the fight, now what you go pull? You go you put that thing through away, then that cucumber go use the now wow. I just the look am. You go you pull out through way. The thing go you they dance you, they go. If na mad they follow you, they fight. This one a woman now you just beat am, make sure say you won't even tear shirt. In fact, you won't tear shirt for your body. Or say people they owe you, you say no. You say no. Oga, not be the way body take scratch person, not be so they take the scratch am. And you will be the woman wey be say you fat, you say you fit follow my fat. You say you fit follow my fat. Even though say the man are your husband, you will fair let am reach us. Even though say na even they talk to you, you will fair let am reach us. Not be as body take your scratch person, you just say my your scratch am. He go pee. Maybe you dey hide yourself before, make people not know you, make people you yourself they do your own they go. But as you can't do this one for us, so a lot of people don't carry a meter. You know, say anything we do at media. If we never ask me don't cancel, I don't hire your own. If they never hire around, put her for that lalo, put her for that anger. They'll come give you for us. Say, madam, take your matter out. We don't hire around. Then you carry on for them. You say, no, thank you. Media, not too much. Oh, media, God go bless you now. Then they will carry on. They will give you. They'll go drop her for. You will go drop her for inside your wardrobe. Then you go lock and you put key. If you not key, you take the lock your wardrobe. You draw back and your matter go close. Your matter go close. But if they never hire and come give you for us, my dear, that matter is still going far. If cannot take your great-grandchildren, they'll come see. Your great-grandchildren, they'll come see. It's not good. Okay? It's not good. You get many things where be say, you know, even to say the person, they push you. You know, say, in digital world with they, anybody go fit carry a phone, they record, you know me. You know, if you go stop and say, why you they record me? You go and see whether now you buy phone for her. If you don't want me to record you, why you not there your house? To fight the fight. So, this our maths, we will be women, we will see the close hand. May we see the close hands. If some men they talk, even to say na your husband, even though not be your husband, as far as that man, don't be that man. Stay close on. Okay? Stay close on. If not be all those people we call the whole land, if for quick and hammer you, maybe your weight for reduce. Maybe if you be 50 kilo before you come, if you be 100 kilo before you come 50 kilo. It's not good. That man just they throw blow. If you see your mate, you not go fit fight. So till you push shirt for woman, what are we saying? All this one not be all those I don't care man. All those I don't care man. It's not good. I don't care. Don't say after all, I be Agboro. If you want to Agboro, go Shemole, go join of Shemole Agboro for markets. There's Sarah, buy ticket, go and do it. Not be woman body, okay, they do. I want push it. The man they tell you, oh God, wait. Look my face, I'm talking to you. No. You say they can when I'm here. You say where you are for seeing. It's not good. But we just say, you understand, we this life of a thing. Wait till you don't do come outside. Before they clean, they be like a stretch mark. Wait till you don't do come outside. Before they clean, they hard. Like this one now, when you don't do now. Your man go say after Rabbi Agboro, I don't care. After Rabbi Agboro, I don't care. I not just care. Men the shame, men not the shame. It gets a kind place where you go stitching. Because people like you, when they do this one, you do this one for us, which one you go do to the woman for his house? Woman when you marry, wait till you go do to run for his house. Wait till you go do to run for his house. I don't care, man. Una never reach me, una say una be me. Hey, my God. Hey, I just taste this. I smile and I say, God, if na boy they follow you, they do that one, Nana. You no go put cloth. Now only to they run around, you go they run around that time. You by the friend with you won't carry me, you say amen. More we wise. There are things when be say person they be pass. Even though say that woman talk with you verse you go look am. Abi you no get mama, you no get sister, you no get sibling. You look and say, I bet this one a woman. No be the even though say you want to do that kind, you're not supposed to dey push it. You see that woman for you see the woman, you push it for you. Not be you the one make you tear shit. He not push it for you, but you want push it. Although the woman grab pass, if he still beat you, and I make you quick push it, and may not cost still beat you, and that one is still shame. But if they give that woman a chance before you could fit carry acting na ground, that woman could fit still, you know now, you could fit still, so. My people, you know as I dey talk my own. I beg we be woman, more we see the tolerate men. I beg, more see the tolerate. Not be everything we be say they do. You can come media. More we the tolerate. If na really say na your man or your bestie, my put her like that. If he do something, let am fair richas, okay? Not just grip am for road, not just curse am for road. Let am, not let that thing pay you rich boy. You can't call they say if I not retaliate now, if I don't richas, I no fit talk again. No, just in glory, just waka comot. Just do am like that. If you be say na in the drive, if na man they drive, say na in the drive, it's for record your start. Let her just drive Richard. Give her rest of mind. Let her drive Richard. If you Richard's finish, forget you fit start your momo. Forget you fit start your vacillation. It's as well person they even see the fear say if I want go that place where they for the pour water for body, you will see the fear. Talk like for stuff outside. We be say any small thick men they don't carry phone. Any small thick men they don't carry phone. Mona see they use on a sense, Mona they use on a sense. Men Mona see they respect women. Mona they respect women. Women. What you made the talker say? Now. I don't know how to put on. Okwobioba. Mona see they respect women. What are we talking about? If men, you no feel respect another person's wife, you know respect your wife. So men, they like that. If they just see another person's wife, they say, Mama, I hate you. You are the first. He wife for us. Be like aunt. It be like aunt. But you go they hate another person. All those kind of men, if you see man when they hate your wife, Mama, you too fine. You too. Tell her, say, go make your wife fine. Not the whole another person you because all those kind of men they are brain. They are coconut. Now yeah they. All those kind of men. If you give them that opportunity, they go do and do. Okay? So if you want hate person, hate the one where you marry for us. Make him become who he want be. Okay? Make him become who he want be. There will see some women for outside. You will see some women for outside. Not be say the man not get that money, but he prefer me go dash outside than I go give that woman where they with her for us. He prefer to go and give it to outside that they say, just hold this one. This one is little, but all hold it. If they walk out, they'll call bed their man. Just hold it. This one is little. Just hold it. Maybe for the head them. Their wife for us before they go see their wife for us before they go see their 10 naira in the heart. I don't want you zero. Their 10 naira in the heart. But if they see another one, especially all those one will be say if they Africa, if they just stay, they'll be saying, they just see say woman just the woman just wear all those come say come buy something. Mama, how much something you buy? How much something you buy? You never feel buy for the one way carry for us. The one wey born girl for am, born a boy for am, never buy for am. How much sort he buy mama? Mama, no worry, right I join my bill. Why you no go where you dey? Your wife dey forbid to go there, go buy, go say, hey, mama, na my woman, leave am for me, leave am for my bill. I don't see person, and that time we be say I dey Africa. I don't see person wey be say mama go come store, you come buy something. He go sit down for there. Go dey talk, go better use talk dey cover am. Man, see that one can talk, and that one go say, no be your map be this one. Pay for the thing now. Go say no get money. But if you just see small game when you come, when he go just see small game wey be say you just shake that level come there. Say he ample now, so he just stand. He go yell, hey mama, how much you buy? Maybe the girl na 30 naira something be what buy. He go say, hey, mama, how much something you buy? The girl go buy, you style. They talk. Because sometimes they store that time, the guy go buy, you style. The girl go buy, you style. Say, mama, never buy finish you. He can say, no worry, mama, let her buy. Put her job my be. Your wife, they forbid that thing when that girl they buy when you go shop. Muna come. Now when be say they beat on her wife for outside, they beat on her friend, woman like woman for outside. No, nah. Now every they do the undo. Now they do undo. My people, now they do my own. I go always flash the picture. Then if you want to see the video, go and check me on Katarina Roland, Katarina or Gali Katarina. Go and check my YouTube, my Instagram name. I'm going to post the video there. So if you know, say you want to see the video, how the thing they start from the beginning, how the argument they start, I will post that for Instagram. Follow me for Instagram, you will see it for there. Drop your comment if you want anything, you want me to share anything for you, you want me to talk anything for you, you want to share it, you want people opinion, you want people contribution, you want people to tell you what you will do. I will not mention your name, but you just have to drop the comment that I want to talk to you. If you still want my number, just drop the comment there. I will drop my number for you, okay? Or my Facebook name. My Facebook name is Katarina Roland or Gali Katarina. No, Esther Gali or either Esther Gali or Katarina Roland. That is my Facebook name. My Instagram na Katarina Roland. So if you want follow me, if you follow me for the two, na the name now they use for the two. So I beg, men I beg, muna respect woman, muna put for house. Women muna respect men we put on for house. You know he's even though say na 30 naira that they pay bribe. That money big for egbe. That money big for egbe eye, okay? Without that, like me now, 25 they collect. If that 25 not there, egbe not notice that man. You understand? So for that reason, when if you go they put that 25 put for ground, I bet most give the that respect. Okay, most give the that respect. And so women will be say you person your husband go you talk to you and you say I bet not talk to me like that too. I bet muna still respect men. Okay, muna they respect them. Okay. They don't they ahead of us. They don't they ahead of us. Even though say you they work for one big company, they work for one big fabrica, they work for one big place. If that man, you need to respect him. Okay, you need to respect that man. What are we saying? Okay, I watched one video where be say man sacrifice all his life. They give his wife. They go school. The woman come. Before that, then that man they work. That man they work. He they earn his salary. After he train the junior one, he do for the woman. He make sure say the woman graduate. He first can I get her, but something could happen to the man along the way. When I not go say for year, but one day I'm coming back to say that story. Something happened for that man along the way, but I get the video. But I never talk about the video. But my people, more we respect men when he puts us for her. If you feel they respect your husband for house, why you not go respect another man for outside? If you feel they respect your wife for his house, why you not go respect another person's wife? If you never marry, say you fit dey ask, first say you fit see dey respect your sisters. You dey if person beat your sister come, maybe your sister just carry scar for her come say, brother, see wetin one boy do me. Which action you go take? You go fit answer say na boy do this one to you, even though say that your sister wrong. So for that reason, I beg, no no dey do like this. If you fit beat your own wife or your own another man wife or another man pikin for herself, what are we saying? If person can't do your own like that, how you go feel? I beg my people, I use God say beg una. This life of 18, nobody is perfect. You understand? Nobody dey perfect. Who say they perfect? You know, even me when they talk, I not they perfect, but it gets some kind thing when I not go fit do. I know the as you see me so, I know the cause man. I not fit go the cause another man, because if person cause my husband, before I go enter grave, before I go enter that place, me and that person, we go do body. We go do body, as in, no, as they say that they do body. We go do body because I not go dey happy. I not go dey happy. So wetin person no go do to me, wetin I no go do to person, I no want me person do to me. And wetin I no go do, wetin person no go do to me, I no go want me do to another person. I no go want make I do one. Even to say that man small, even to say he age, na the same age with it, as far say he don't be man, he don't get wife, he don't get children, I am due to respect that man. Okay? I am due to respect that man. Man and man. You never see person wey go marry as he go marry the person wey senior am, but he go give am that respect. Say yes, man and man. Okay? We will not dey do like say now only we dey different on those things. People call the talk for our media will call the talk for now, because like this now media they talk they put. Una not fit settle around for house now make media call talk put. Some go just they date man you put am like this, they will date there. Maybe they just waka brukere. Maybe the day when they want you engage the person, say, can you be that my ample that I'm looking for? Maybe the girl get another person, you know, say we girls, they know they trust us finish. We women, they know they trust us finish. You go see person go get 3 bobo. Person go get 4 bobo. You understand? Maybe if he just get her like that, maybe the one wey be say hard go dey with, that one hard no dey with them. That one no your day he care. But the one we go just say, this one I just to dey buy me. No, as they don't they say this one I just to buy my clothes, my bag, all those things. Maybe that one they can serious, so he not take that one serious. The day when that one go you only down say, can you be my apple? Maybe the girl will say no. I don't want now. You go just start to the slapper. Boo, igbu. Why do you take this one? No. You suffer carry that small thing when you be what give one. You can't go as first. If you reach us, then you will still call and why do you do this thing to me? And so maybe the way you would take talk to the girl will say, this boy, this person really take caring. No, in mind go fit come down like that. Not be say you just start to the hammer around. Igbu. You just the hammer around, the beat all the old small thing we don't collect for your hand. You say today with that anger, you go pull out, the thing go come out for your body today. If you never come out for your body, I'm not gonna leave you. No. And if una they do some kind of thing, I see the reason say this one not be old days when phone not day. This one a digital world. You know what they call digital? Person feel you feel the fight for ground downstairs. Person feel your day window for upstairs just camera you. So there are things you need to do. Even your house not this secure, talk less or say na outside. You understand? I beg my ladies, muna see the respect men. God bless say this Europe oh your day so we know you go get value for men again. After all, that one that they tell he say cock balegbe. Ogbalegbe tell me you can't fight for road. That one where they say Ogbalegbe tell una mona can't fight for road. You don't know say all this ogbalegbe they see get sense. You don't know say they see get sense. Ah yes, they go just carry the man go make him mind for cool. Once the man him mind don cool finish, they say make go house. Only waiting they go take his name. Now so he just still reach. Why would they respect men? Because we not get power. That power we not get am. But we go dey draw like stash. If my grandma dey make stash that time, go dey turn on like this. Go dey turn on as a camel. No, we change. There are things we not supposed to do again. Okay? There are things we not supposed to do again. So I don't want to make this video long. My people, please, if you know you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post any video or I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. So I love you guys. For those who have already subscribed, thank you. For God bless you to be in the part of my family. For you who never subscribe, you still dey watch. Thank you. God bless you for watching. So, my name is Katarina. I remain Katarina Golden Baby TV. That is my name. That is my name. Abe muna de respect men. Muna de give the that honor. Wa Virginia. Muna de give the that honor. I love you guys. Stay till I come your way and remain blessed. I love you.